Welcome to Module 3, Effective Communication Strategies. In this lesson, we will talk about how to talk to children so they will learn. We will explore how effective communication shapes a child's understanding and ability to learn from everyday interactions. Children learn not only from what we say, but also from how we say it. It means using words and examples they can relate to. Our tone, our patience, and the way we explain ideas all influence how children respond. When communication is respectful, children feel safe to express themselves. Let's begin by identifying communication approaches that strengthen learning. One powerful approach is speaking with clarity and simplicity. Complex language can overwhelm children, but clear explanations help them understand ideas step by step. Use short sentences, concrete examples, and relatable situations to help learning feel natural. Another approach is using positive, encouraging language. Children respond better when instructions or guidance focus on what they can do rather than what they should avoid. Positive language builds motivation and reduces fear of making mistakes. A third approach is giving children space to respond. Allowing time for children to think before answering helps deepen their understanding. Rushing or interrupting can shut down their natural curiosity. Now let's talk about active listening, a key part of communication that validates a child's perspective. Active listening means giving full attention when a child speaks. It involves making eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully. It shows children that their voice matters. When children feel heard, they are more willing to share their thoughts and communicate honestly. Reflective responses are an important part of active listening. This means repeating or rephrasing what the child said to show you understand. For example, saying, "It sounds like you felt upset when that happened," helps the child feel seen and valued. Avoid dismissing or minimizing feelings. Instead of saying, "That's nothing," try saying, "I understand why that bothered you." This creates emotional safety, which is essential for learning. Let's now look at how to apply age-appropriate language when explaining complex topics. Young children need simple, concrete explanation. Use familiar examples, visuals, or stories they can relate to. Avoid long sentences or abstract ideas. Break big concepts into small, understandable parts. School-age children can handle slightly more detail. You can introduce cause and effect explanations or simple reasoning. Encourage them to ask questions and share their interpretation. Older children and teenagers need honest, respectful, and direct communication. They can understand deeper concepts, but they also benefit from real-life examples and open discussion. No matter the age, the goal is the same. Meet children where they are. Use language they understand. Explain ideas at their level. And adjust your message based on their reactions and needs. Talking so children will learn is not about delivering perfect lectures. It's about building meaningful connections. It's about listening, responding, and explaining things in ways that fit their developmental stage. When we communicate thoughtfully, children absorb more, trust more, and learn more. In the next lesson, we will continue exploring effective communication techniques that support healthy learning. Stay connected with us. Thank you.